We're getting married!
My love, never gonna leave you alone. Gonna hold you till the night is all gone. And baby, I just wanna stay strong. I wanna hold you till the night is all gone. Never gonna leave you.
My life forever changed the day I met you nearly 8 years ago. For outsiders looking in, we were young and in love. You, Alec Joseph Brown, are the most incredible human being I have ever met. Your thoughtfulness is endless. Your patience are plentiful, and your support is unwavering. You pick me up when I am down, and damn it, you make me laugh when all I want to do is cry. What was so clear to me 8 years ago comes to fruition today. I love you so much, Alec, more than anything in the world, including tortilla chips. Here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, and endless adventures. I love you.
Never gonna leave you alone. Gonna hold you till the night is all gone. Baby, I just wanna stay.
Mackenzie, from the very moment you came into my life, almost 8 years ago, I knew there was something special about you. Your radiant smile and joyful laugh instantly drew me towards you and set my heart on fire. As your husband, I promise to be there for you and with you, by your side through the happiest of moments and the most difficult. I promise to cherish you and respect you. I promise to watch HGTV with you on rainy days, and sunny days, and cloudy days. Mackenzie, you are my lover, my soulmate, my best friend, my confidant, and my entire world. I stand here before you today, proud to be yours and ready to take you as my wife and my lifelong partner. I love you with all of my heart and soul, and I cannot wait to continue experiencing life with you as my wife. I love you.
Since the first moment I met Mackenzie, I shared so many great moments with her. From wine nights in our apartment, to celebrating your May wedding day in the park, to popping champagne and taking photo shoots in the middle of the street for your grad school graduation, to drinking extra skinny, extra spicy margaritas. Not even a quarantine could keep us apart.
I've known Mackenzie for a long time as well. We actually had photography class together freshman year of high school. You can't cheat in photography, Clay. I mean, Mackenzie was truly the only reason why we got anything done in that class. Honestly, I'm so grateful that experience with that class with Mackenzie, because when Alec was expressing me for those hours of long conversation on how he was falling for Mackenzie, and I already had given him approval off the semester of work that Mackenzie had put in with me.
Alec has a special way of bringing people together and making every moment memorable. Mackenzie and Alec, together you are the perfect pair. From high school sweethearts, to college, to traveling the world, and enduring years of long distance. Please raise your glass and join me for a toast for the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Brown!
Mackenzie said it today in her vows that their love was really young, but Alec was dead serious from the start. And we're also happy to be here and to celebrate with you. So if you guys could raise your glasses. To love, to laughter, to happily ever after, please raise your glass to the bride and groom.